My name is Caroline Belden, and my presentation is on Chipotle and how advertising message strategy can be improved among the company. The first Chipotle was opened in 1993. Chipotle is one of the leading fast casual Mexican restaurants. The company operates over 2,000 restaurants, with most being located in the United States. Chipotle also operates in many other places such as Canada, the United Kingdom, Germany, and France. Chipotle has over 45,000 employees. And then lastly, Chipotle has a variety of choices on its menu, including burritos, tacos, salads, burrito bowls, and chips and salsa. And to the right is a picture of Chipotle's menu. Chipotle has many keywords and core values. To start off, Chipotle's mission statement is food with integrity. The many keywords that I chose to represent Chipotle is healthy, fresh, colorful, cultivation, commitment, and sustainability. Chipotle is committed day after day to several things, including finding the best ingredients and then preparing them by hand, also growing vegetables in healthy soil, and overall cultivating a better world. For Sustainability series, Chipotle values many sustainable efforts such as recycling, trimming waste, saving energy, having pasture-raised cows, and water conservation. The overall advertising problem is its inability to attract consumers over the age of 50. So, the overall advertising problem for Chipotle is that consumers over the age of 50 do not consider Chipotle when making dining choices. The overall objective for this campaign is to make consumers over the age of 50 believe that Chipotle is the healthiest option. The core message and what is trying to be proven to consumers is Chipotle, the healthiest option. The target audience that I'm trying to reach is the demographic of 50 and over. Meet Robert Montgomery. Robert is a 57-year-old male with a wife and 2 children, and he lives in Marietta, Georgia. Robert works at Coca-Cola Corporate as the Chief Business Officer. When he's not at work, he spends his time watching sports and playing golf. He also strives every single day to have a healthy lifestyle. Many problems, such as slowing down weight gain, exercising, and natural and organic foods, are very important to Robert. He always reads the food and nutrition labels on the food items. And then lastly, he loves to cook, but when he's traveling for his job, he's always looking for more healthy dining options. The first static solution is a magazine advertisement in the magazine Reader's Digest. This ad shows Robert and his wife riding bikes down the street through a farmer's market. The main goal of this advertisement is to grab the older adults' attention and encourage them to dine at Chipotle. In order to encourage Robert to eat at Chipotle, the comparison made between the farmer's market and Chipotle shows that both places offer healthy, fresh ingredients. The food at the farmer's market are very bright, fresh, and colorful, which are similar to Chipotle's fresh ingredients. And then the tagline at the bottom of the advertisement says, healthy ingredients, just like the farmer's market. Chipotle, the healthiest option. This tagline was created to encourage adults like Robert to dine at Chipotle because it is the healthiest option. And then lastly, this solution would benefit Chipotle because it engages the demographic of 50 and older and helps them believe that Chipotle is the healthiest option for dinner. For my second static solution, it's also a magazine advertisement in Reader's Digest. This ad shows Robert and his wife riding bikes. However, this ad is a little bit different. Instead of the farmer's market, it shows fast food restaurants surrounding them. And the goal of this advertisement is to also grab the older adults' attention and encouraging them to dine at Chipotle. The comparison is made between the fast food restaurants and Chipotle, and it shows that Chipotle is the healthiest fast casual dining option. And then as you see, the fast food restaurants are black and white, which puts emphasis on Chipotle. The tagline at the bottom of the advertisement says, "Are you tired of the same old, Chipotle, the healthiest option." And then lastly, this solution would benefit Chipotle because, like the first static solution, it would engage the demographic of 50 and older and help them believe that Chipotle is the healthiest option. And then finally, the dynamic solution brings in all the elements to convey how Chipotle is the healthiest option. The dynamic solution is a 15-second TV advertisement on CBS, featuring Tom Brady after winning his fifth Super Bowl. Brady and the reporter are having a conversation after the game, and then Brady says, "I'm headed to Chipotle for a burrito with the freshest guacamole and salsa in town. No one beats their healthy menu for busy people on the go. I specifically chose Tom Brady in the commercial because he's very familiar among the boomers, and most of them like him and trust him. So, if Brady believes Chipotle has health and fresh ingredients, then my target audience of 50 and older will also believe that Chipotle has healthy dinner options." And then lastly, this solution would help Chipotle because it encourages the target audience that Chipotle has health and fresh ingredients. Overall, I hope that Chipotle will accomplish its goal of gaining more consumers over the age of 50 by specifically conveying that it is the healthiest dining option with fresh ingredients. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation on Chipotle. Do you have any questions?